so it's the second programme we've had with the King's Trust. Worked with them last year really successfully. And it's all just about supporting young people between the ages of 16 and 30 start their careers in construction, try the industry before they buy, and progress on to other training if needed. The main thing is just meeting learners where they're at. The King's Trust always work with individuals who want to start in a career, whether that's in construction with ourselves or in digital with organisations. It's just about reaching the individuals who need that support to get into the industry.
For the King's Trust, it's really important that we work with local providers who have an incredible reputation. And for us, Optimum Skills is that. You work incredibly well across the North East. You're well known and well respected with real clear pathways for young people. So it ticks all of our boxes for the King's Trust. It's a really jam-packed course. They're given an option to try a whole range of things, all under the guidance of kind of one really clear tutor. Alongside that, you've got incredible kind of safeguarding and wraparound care that really links in with what we do at the King's Trust as well. So for us, it's just the whole picture that you provide, and that end pathway is just incredible as well, of like what the young people can go on to next.
I'm hoping to achieve my, just build my skills up a little bit in all the different trades, get some new skills under my belt. The skills and knowledge I'm trying to learn is, well, I want to build on my joinery, so I want to hopefully get up on like roofs or something like that. Yeah, I want to fancy doing the joinery. That's what made us interested, I think.
So what inspired me was really, I want to work with my hands, of course. I want to obviously be in a respectable trade. I just like learn roofing, to be honest, maybe a bit of joinery. I think joinery is a really good trade as well. I think they go hand in hand, to be honest.
So we're back here today to celebrate the 9 young people that have completed the Get Ready in Construction with Optimum Skills and King's Trust. We're going to have a little graduation for them.
As per last year as well, we're going to offer all the ones who complete this programme to continue with us onto a pre-apprenticeship and then hopefully onto the apprenticeship itself. Overall, the group just a bit more confident, and you can really see that growth from them from day 1 till day 10 really.
Yeah, I've really enjoyed myself on the course, just learning all the new hand skills and stuff, different trades, getting myself on stuff that I didn't think I would learn. It's more than I expected, to be honest with you. It's a lot more hands-on than I thought. I thought we'd be doing basic stuff, but done a lot more stuff than I thought we would do, yeah.
I've actually had quite a good experience. I've learned a lot of functional skills like roofing, joinery, bricklaying, a lot of construction skills. I'll be doing the roofing course of Optimum Skills. My next steps after completing the programme is probably just becoming a roofer and working on site.
I know they've all found different elements of the course challenging or maybe harder than other aspects, but they've really supported one another, and it's just been a genuine transformation in 2 weeks. It's really incredible to see.